I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make text larger on your iPhone for easier reading.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and select Display and Brightness. Next, select Text Size. Now on this screen, you will see a slider on the bottom. You can slide it to the left to be smaller, and you'll see the example text shrink, or you can slide it to the right to increase the size of your text, and you'll see the example text increase. And if you scroll all the way to the right and you need even larger text, you can see on the very bottom it says larger sizes are available in accessibility settings. So to do this, let's go back again, and then we will scroll up and see accessibility, tap there. Then we'll click display and text size. Then we will click larger text. Then we can select this slider to be on, and it will increase the range that we can actually increase this text to be incredibly large. Now your iPhone's text will be larger in apps that support iPhone's dynamic type.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.